Agents of the PNP's anti-kidnapping group successfully foiled an abduction for ransom attempt last night on a Makati-based businessman after a stakeout on the suspects. The chase along Macapagal Avenue and the ensuing shootout that left all four suspects dead and one among the good guys wounded. In this report from Ryan Lesigas.
Motorists along Macapagal Avenue in Parañaque City came to a halt after hearing a series of gunshots past 7 o'clock last night. In this video taken by a motorist, several men can be seen running toward a silver van as if they were chasing someone. Moments later, a burst of gunfire rang out once again. The incident turned out to be an encounter between operatives of the PNP anti-kidnapping group and suspects involved in the abduction of a businessman. According to PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo, the suspects intercepted the businessman on the morning of April 14 while on his way home from Makati. That evening, the suspect contacted the family and demanded a ransom of 50 million pesos.
Nakasarado po sila sa tawaran ng from 50 million, ay napababa po nila sa 10 million. Nung saktong alas 10:30 ng nasabing araw, April 14, inireport na po ng daughter-in-law at saka po ng asawa ang insidente sa ating pong anti-kidnapping group na kung saan po ay nagsagawa sila ng plano.
The following day, the suspects met with the victim's family to finalize the ransom. What the suspects did not know, police were already staking them out. And when authorities confirmed that victim was safe, police quickly cornered the kidnappers. This led to a gunfight that ended with the deaths of 4 suspects and the injury of 1 PNP personnel. Results of an investigation revealed 2 of the 4 suspects were former police officers who had been dismissed from service due to pending cases.
Sa nasabing insidente, meron tayong 4 na suspects na kung saan dalawa po dito yung 2 awol na membro ng Philippine National Police. Yung suspect number 2 po na in-identify ng AKG, ito po ay may warrant of arrest para sa kaso na malversation of public funds. At yung pong isang awol na noong 2025 na formerly naka-assign sa Northern Police District.
Authorities also recovered several police uniforms, identification cards, and firearms from the suspect's vehicle. In addition, various conduction stickers and license plates were also found.
Nais po natin banggitin na tanging sa Philippine National Police lang po ang makakita ng mismong kabaro, maging ito man ay aktibo, awol o dismiss, na sila pong tutugis, puhuli at magpapakulong kung kinakailangan sa mga nasabing suspect kapag sila po ay nagkamali o lumabag po sa batas.
The PNP is not ruling out the possibility of the slain suspects having accomplices, prompting authorities to continue their investigation. Despite this, the PNP says this incident or case is considered closed. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.